bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I am staying at bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Ìyẹ̀sí Ọ̀tà. I am not bàbá olóyin original Ìjẹ̀bú. Somebody is claiming bàbá olóyin original Ìjẹ̀bú. That boy has loaded my pictures, all my photos from YouTube and Facebook. He put it at his own Facebook. He's operating a fake account. Please don't mind that Yusuf Petros Ebolala. Don't mind him. Don't pay to him. Anything you want, you contact me. My phone number, my WhatsApp number is at the bottom of this video. 0054749455. You will see the phone number of Kenny Show. That one is also at beside that of Baba Oloyin China. So if any other person call you, ignore him. I wish you happy Christmas. Happy Christmas to all my fans, all my YouTuber fans. Yes. Some people they say, I'm your followers on YouTube. Those people following me and those who are not following me, I wish you happy Christmas. Some people are about to follow me and some will join those who are following me. Happy Christmas to you and Happy New Year in advance. All of us will be witness next year by the special grace of God. And those of you that have been giving me money, I thank you. I thank you. Even the money people gave me for African Power, I have never received it since I've been publishing books. Before Christmas, some people have been promising, Baba, I'll give you for Christmas. I will see you. And they fulfill their promise. Some people are still promising money for New Year. I thank you. Some people, they bought this new book, African Power, and it worked for them. You see, some people will just come to this comment section. They will be thanking me. I don't know them. I don't. And none of them ever call me that I'm the one who commented on so. No. The way you are seeing the post is the way I am seeing it. And those of you that you have done many things, ogun tó bá ṣe fún yín ò ní gbérí fún yín, kò ní gbérí mọ́. Ogun tó bá ṣe fún yín ò ní padà sórí mi, aya mi àtọmọ mi. Yes, those of you that you have problems and my books has worked for you, all those problems will never survive again by the special grace of God. You will have cause to thank God. All those people that you did one thing or the other in my books, it's not mean that you are. Yes, I thank you. Once again, I thank you. This is African Power book. Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú. It's online. Some people they are coming from Namibia. Some people are calling from America. Some people are calling from South Africa. Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú, there is power in Africa. Yes. Ìgbà táwọn òyìnbó takú tí aláwọ̀ ní kó South Africa. Bàbá wa Ṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́, bàbá Ìyábọ̀, Ẹbọrọ Òwu. Ó ní bó bá jẹ́ dúdú, a lè lò. Agbára ń bẹ, a lè lò. Chief Kollington Ayinla, Alhaji Chief Kollington Ayinla, ó fi kọrin nígbà yẹn. Ojúbọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ ni àwọn òyìnbó fi kúrò South Africa. Yorùbá ni ẹjẹ́ ń sọ yẹn torí àwọn tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn mọ̀ bá gbọ́. Ìgbà tí a rí gold South Africa tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó mọ́ wọn lo dúdú. Ta ló sọ pé òṣèwé? Ta ló sọ pé òṣòògùn? ẹni ayé bá fi wèrè pé àdánwò jó bọ́ bá rọ́mà wo kò ní pẹ́ gan ìbáwọ̀ yìí tẹ̀ láyé. Who said there's no medicine? Who said there's no juju? I will teach you something today. If they put juju, they put medicine in your shop. There are some people, they say ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́ran, ẹgbẹ́ aláta, ẹgbẹ́ hairdresser. So if you don't join their union, in your absence, they will go and put juju on your table. You're a fashion designer. They ask you to come and join meeting, you refuse, or you don't come regularly, or you always get customers. Some people will not be happy with you. I will teach you what you can do today. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rẹ̀ tó ń lọ meeting dédé àìríṣẹ́ pọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Those who attend meetings every day is because they are idle. When some of them, when they don't see shop, they don't see work in their shop. They are fashion designers, they will attend all the meetings. And when they are going, all those fashion designers that are always busy, they will envy them. They will be looking for one excuse or the other to punish them. You are a mechanic, you are always busy, you are always busy. The days they say they fix their meeting, it is then you have customers who want you to go and buy spare parts for them. Some people will not like you. I will tell you what you can do today. So don't forget this African power. Yes, what I want to teach you today is also in this book. Yes. Those of you that bought honey as a medicine, don't forget to see online. Honey as a medicine. To remove hatred from your body is here. How to boost sales in business is here. You have hypertension, diabetes, rheumatism is inside this book. If you are not in Nigeria, we can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. This one, Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, healing power of honey. Some people they get this staphylococcus, and if somebody gets staphylococcus, you will have low sperm count. Your sperm will be watery because bacteria will be chopping your sperm. If you buy this book, it will help you a lot. This is African Power, latest book. This is solution to woman problems. Solution to woman problems. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún ṣòro ẹ̀dá. If you are having female, you want a male child, what you can do, how you can sleep that sleep, it is this one. If your wife is always giving you females or is giving you males, it's not the fault of the woman. It depends on the position you come down after meeting your wife. Buy this book, you see solution there. You will see what to do there. When you have connection with your wife, so when you want to come down, the position you come down will determine the sex of the baby. It's a 10 years research. This is African Power. It's online. For those people who are not in Nigeria, it's online. You can get it on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. All our books, they are on PDF. So you can get it anywhere in the world. Don't forget, inú igbó lọsàn wọ ọmọ aráyé ló lánàá bá o. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. Your luck will shine, they will find you for good things. In this book also, I talk about excess, native excess. Ọ̀nà kìdíkàdé ẹ̀mọ́ débi abẹ́. No matter how tight it is, a brooding fowl must reach the incubating center. What you can do with excess, you don't need to throw the excess, native excess away. What you can do is here. Now people can make it in form of powder. What we add to it is here. You can add it with honey. And what you do, how to prepare it is in this book, African Power. Breast enlargement. If you don't get breast, you will not get cloth fitting. Funfun ni iyì eyín, kókúnrégé ni iyì ọrùn. Funfun ni iyì eyín, kókúnrégé ni iyì ọrùn. Ọmú ṣìkìṣìkì, so ni iyì obìnrin. If you don't get breast, you won't get fittings as a woman, as a girl. So how to enlarge your breast without operation? Breast enlargement without operation, it normally takes time. It can take you 2 months or 3 months, but it will work for you. When you are using it with your breast, you feel small pain. That will tell you that the thing is coming out small, gradually. Same to me for penis enlargement. He bought this book. If anytime he's using it, he will feel pain at the back. I said you will feel pain because something wants to come out of your body. Then you have to feel the pain. The more is not thanking God. African power. This is how to enlarge penis enlargement. A certain tribe in Nigeria, right from their when they were child, anytime they born their small boy, they use it for them. So they never complain of penis enlargement. Yes. Some people know who the tribe I'm mentioning. And their wife will never complain. Hardly can you see their wife, they're forcing them. I mean those people in the northern part of the country. Yes, ask me. They use these things. I got this secret when we were in Ibadan the olden days. When our brother married, they couldn't penetrate. We were waiting outside for the good news that he has dispatching is a new wife. But this one couldn't form outside in time. So our senior brother was knocking. You never finish saying any ló me. It is net. He said it was a mat that was disturbing him. So everybody was laughing. Later they called him, how's your penis? The thing happened to be too small. So they took him to Bali, that is elder in the town. He did something for him. What they did, I kept it in my hand. It's in this book. Our sister, I told you when we were young, she carried pap to the next village and her boyfriend, they kidnapped her there. The mother was crying that, hey, how can we do it? Everybody was, she has finished primary 6 in the olden days. And this man is not new to her. He's her future partner. The woman says she never gets a big breast. When she deliver, is she pregnant like this? When she deliver, where is she going to get breast to feed the newborn baby? As I am old now, I don't get what time I breast again. So the elder in the village, Baali Abulewa, that is elder in the village. The woman went to see the man. The man called her. They did some preparation. The rest was history. My senior sister, my immediate senior sister, when she played with Pandoro, this African sausage, my mother beat her out of her. I asked my mother, why are you beating my sisters? She want to put herself to trouble. She want her breast to be touching ground. I said, why? She said, that thing, they use it for breast enlargement. I said, okay, I could recollect when so person married and so is in African power. You can get it online on your email, Gmail, or you can get it on WhatsApp, email, or your Gmail. Just ask for account number. My WhatsApp number is 080. You put +234 if you are not in Nigeria. Add +234. So 8054749455. It's at the bottom of this video. You will see it there. As you are eating during this Christmas, be careful. Take time on what you are eating, what you are drinking. People can take your glory from you. People can take your glory from you if you don't know what you are putting. It is not all food that can kill people. Some food will not kill you, but your glory, your blessing, it will remove you from you. It will collect it from you, directly or indirectly. That is indirectly. You are going home for Christmas. You are traveling from abroad to Nigeria, from Nigeria to Nigeria, from Lagos to Imo, Imo to Owerri, Owerri to Aba, Aba to Ibadan, Kaduna to Sokoto, Sokoto to Lagos. Please watch what you are eating from friends and relatives. Watch the drinks you want to be drinking. Àtẹnujẹ ò ní pa mí o, àtẹnujẹ ò ní pa mí. Àtẹnujẹ ò ní pa gbogbo wa. Àtẹnujẹ ò ní pa gbogbo wa. If you eat certain food, so they can collect they can collect your glory. Some people, when they travel last year, when they came back to Lagos or Ogun, their business ran down, pata. They are now at a loss. Watch what you are eating from families and friends. A word is enough for the wise to fill up the cup. Now, I told you earlier on before, when I started this program, that because you don't join union, some people, they put you on your table. They put it in the doorstep of your shop. You can use salt to suppress the power. It's in my book, African Power. I taught you on my YouTube before. So when you come to shop, every day, wash your table. If you're a meat seller, you're a pepper seller, wash your table with salt water. All those bad things they do on your table, salt and water will neutralize it. Yes. When you sweep your shop early in the morning, you feel or you suspect that the market is dull. You suspect somebody has put something in your shop. Go and get salt water. Put salt inside water. Mix it very well. Wet your ground with it. Sweep the floor. Wash it. Put it there. Within 30 minutes, your customers will begin to come as normal. Or your phone will begin to ring. Some people are wicked. Wicked people, they are surrounding us. Do it every day. By the special grace of God, you will have cause to thank God. Don't forget, I am Baba Oloyin original Iyesiota. I am not Baba Oloyin original Ijebu. That boy that is claiming Baba Oloyin Ijebu, Baba Oloyin original Ijebu, you open account with some banks. I've written letter to the bank to close the account for that boy. If they refuse, maybe I have to write EFCC and Central Bank to help me for the matter. Till next time, when you will hear me again, I wish you Happy New Year again. My phone number is at the bottom of this video. Happy New Year. New Year will be a very successful year for everybody. Thank you. Remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.